Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. I am so excited. Yes, I know I've been saying that all month long for, a lot of my videos, but anyways, this is one of my favorite videos. I think it's finally going to go good. I tried to do this video the other day, but it didn't turn out quite right. So I ordered something else to help me. So let's see how this goes. I'm about to open up the package. I guess I'll wait till the fire gets bigger to throw this in once the wood gets caught on fire. Finally got the fire going. I'm so excited. I'm scared at the same time though. I hope I'm not about to burn down nothing. As you can see, I'm so scared of fire. Anyways, this is supposed to make the fire colorful, so yeah, let's see how this works. So these are supposed to make the fire have a lot of colors. They say just throw it in there. I'm wondering if I can get this top on there without burning myself. I wonder if I should have put, I probably should have put this on first. I don't know. I'm scared. My very first fire pit. So I'm about to make some s'mores. I have this little pine tree piece. I'm going to kind of like clean it off and put my marshmallows on the end of here. My very first s'mores. Let's see if it's smashed. The fire is starting to die down, so I'm about to roast one more marshmallow. I'm just out here listening to music. It's making me think about my Cambodia days. This is a song I used to listen to when I would try to zone out there. Cheers to my very first fire pit. You know, something about sitting by the fire pit, it just makes you reflect. Kind of makes me want to go to the river. Makes me think about this song. Just sitting by the fire pit, it just makes me reflect. Made me want to come out here. Whenever I'm coming from like a dark place or a low place and I'm mustering up the strength to, you know, get to a better place, I always think about this song. And coming out of that dark place and getting to a better place, that transition, it just makes me want to sing my heart out. In a little tent, I need to practice this song. Ever since.
Oh, and just like the river I've been running ever since. It's been a
Change gon' come.
long time coming, but I know.
Hey everybody, I guess I'm at the end of the video. It's getting pretty cold out here. It's starting to rain. That'll be perfect. I don't have to use my bottles of water to put this fire out. Anyways, if you made it this far watching me on Vlogmas Day 21, my very first fire pit and s'mores, I thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! On by the river in a little tent.